Alright guys, we got a special delivery today. Let's go outside and see what we get. Much needed for the bill. Much needed for the looks of the car. Oh yes sir, yes sir. Look at that. That's right, gang. We got traction. Tires are in. We got some front tires going 275. Let me get this focused. Front tires gonna be 275s, 45 or 20s. The back tires, the rear tires, gonna be a 305, 35 or 20. Achilles, it's a decent brand. You know, I'm really excited about the Turos, you know. And the reason I didn't go with like something crazy like, you know, Pirellis or some Pilot Sports or anything. This is not gonna be my drag setup. Definitely not my drag setup. This is just the daily setup, you know. Not even the daily because I don't drive the car daily, but just for the wheel and rim package that I'm going with. You know, the staggered look. This makes the car have perfect fitment. I see a lot of cars, you know, they be riding around and the fitment be off. Like the tire is supposed to tuck inside the fender well, and a lot of the times it's bulging. So next time you see these tires, they'll be on the rim, and I'm gonna show you exactly what rims we went with and what the setup gonna look like. Yeah, so we got these right here, all ready to get mounted, and y'all probably wanted to know what you mount them on, what you get. So I did wind up staying with my old setup. Yeah, the classics. Saw a lot of people getting these. I thought I had them, but you know how it go. Monkey see, monkey do. These tires is gonna be for sale, by the way. I had bought these right before the accidents. They are $295. See if I can see that. Yeah, $295 40R20s. So if you want them, hit me in the DMs, email me. Let them go for the stupid low, cause what I needed was these nice 305s, but they wasn't in stock at the time, so I had to get what I can get. So, but yeah, those are going swapped over to these. As y'all can see, I kept everything. Excuse the noise. Yeah, they a little ashy because they ain't been on a car in about 2 years, well, a year and a half. Oh, and we still got that drag pack ready to go. We still got the drag pack ready to go on deck, so you know I'm coming with it this year, man. Yes, sir. Okay, now I need to talk to y'all about something that, you know, been on my mind, been on my heart. Basically, I know that I'm back on YouTube, I'm back on the scene, and you know, I don't know if other creators, you know, deal with this or not. Let me turn the car off so y'all can hear me. I don't know if other creators deal with this, but I'm a one-man band. You know, I edit, you know, I make my own stuff, and try to live a life, you know. Your boy's working a lot of hours to, you know, get this build, this new build, you know, complete and done. You know, the Phoenix is gonna rise. As y'all know, we did buy a new motor, along with some other stuff. I really don't want to let out the bag just yet, but I'll just give y'all a dollar amount of how much your boy done spent already, and I'll let y'all figure out exactly, you know, what I did. All in all, roughly I just spent about 12 grand so far on, really mainly on 3 things, and one of which was 7 grand we spent on that motor. But I'm saying all this to say, you know, the content, it was 2 months since my last video. Like I said, it's the holiday season, had family in town, plus your boy grinding, you putting in that work. I work over, you know, 60 hours a week, you know, just so I can, you know, take care of home, take care of the family, and this expensive ass hobby that we all love and share, which is modifying our cars. And, you know, especially when it comes to MOPAR, I don't know why our stuff's so expensive, but basically, you know, it's hard trying to make content on a regular basis when you're putting in the hours that I'm putting in and still trying to live, you know, somewhat of a normal life. I'm not making excuses. Not making excuses. I'm very blessed and fortunate to be in the position that I am in, and I will, you know, continue this content. I know at least once, maybe twice a week. Also, I am bringing back Beers and Gears podcast. I'm very, very excited about that because, you know, I'm kind of setting up my man cave to where I could be able to do my weekly podcast. Probably do like a StreamYard setup, but I got some stuff on order for that. So be on the lookout for, you know, Beers and Gears making its return. You know, my weekly podcast that I think I got over like 40 or so maybe episodes already on the channel if y'all want to go back and watch some of those. Very, very entertaining with my boy JC. When Mod the Fame was in town, he popped up on one of them. Also with my brother, you know, Savage Speed TV. Shout out to Savage, doing amazing things with his Mustang. Just, you know, they was all live streamed from ALLPAR Garage, you know, the world famous ALLPAR Garage, putting out some of the baddest Mopars in the land. So I'm just very blessed and fortunate to be back in this position. And, you know, I want to make more content on a regular basis, man. Y'all gonna have to bear with me, but, you know, life, work, balance, hobby, all that is crazy. You know, all in all, I think I get a day and a half off a week. A day and a half off, you know. I wake up Saturday afternoon from a long week of work. I got the rest of Saturday, all Sunday to do editing, family stuff, rest. So I'm not making excuses, but I'm letting y'all know the grind is real, and I appreciate all my supporters rocking with me, holding me down. And, you know, this 300 thing is really, really, really near to my heart. Also, we're doing big things in 2022, people. If everything stays on schedule like it's supposed to, it's gonna be nuts, man. It's gonna be nuts, man. You know, the sauce that I got cooked up for this time around, bro, y'all gonna want to copy this one too. I mean, let me stop. Alright, gang, it is now about a week later, something like that, a week and some change later. Your boy got a delivery in. Pretty sure y'all already know what that delivery is, but as y'all can see, yeah, we got the tires in, see, about a week ago. And for everybody, let me run this by y'all. For everybody that always wanted to know what my wheel and tire setup was, this is the video for you. So I get a lot of DMs, a lot of questions asking what was my wheel and tire package. So here you see 305, 35 R20s. And those are the rears, by the way. And the back, I don't know if that's gonna show for y'all, but we got 275, 45 R20s. So 305s, 275 fronts. So there y'all go. No more questions, no more DMs. That was what my wheel and tire package was. So also, in addition to that, like I was saying, we got a package here. And what that was, let me hit the lights for y'all. What that was is these boys. That's it. 2-piece marquee setup. Went back with the same wheel and tire setup, and that's gonna be, you know, these marquee two-piece wheels, beautiful wheels. As y'all can see the specs on it, 20x9s in the front. This was the front, the replacement for the front when I lost in the accident last year. 20x9 in the front. And take y'all over here. Yeah, these are the backs, which are the 20x10 and a halves that allow me to put these 295s. Anyway, they coming off, but these are 295s. I don't want, like I said, we got 305s going in there, but these are what they look like, people. Like I said, the replacement wheel came in, but this is the wheel and tire package. Also, if anybody wants these 295 40 20s, please hit me in the description or DM me. They are for sale for a good price. Get them on my hands. Get them on my hands. So yeah, that is the wheel and tire package that your boy went with. As y'all can see, it's still go Bucks. We took a loss today, but that boy Brady is the GOAT. O-line was suspect. You know, we had some major injuries, but that's neither here nor there. We'll be bounced back next year. Hopefully my boy Brady returns. Football guys, y'all hear me? But yeah, tough loss today, but it is what it is. I just want to, you know, come on here and show y'all your boy making strides to get Project Midnight, aka, or should I say Black Phoenix now. Rest in peace to Project Midnight. So Project Midnight is gone, Black Phoenix is here. Wheel and tires, man. Wheel and tire package, baby. Like I said, video after this, hopefully we're gonna be getting mounted, set up, all that good stuff. But race season is upon us. It's about to be spring. The motor is not quite ready to be pulled and swapped yet. We got a little hang up there, but I did make another purchase. I did put a deposit on another major purchase. Major purchase. Not cosmetic either. What am I talking about? Can't wait to show y'all. Y'all have to stay tuned for the next video. With that said, it's your dog Bad HEMI. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, all that. Tell a friend, tell a friend. We back on YouTube. We back behind the 300, man. Like I said. Till next time, we out.